if you own a WooCommerce store and you want to sell kids toys, kids clothing and something like this, then I want to show you here a perfect theme that you can use to sell kit-based products like toys and clothing and something like this. I am working right now for a client of mine on a kids toy store. And we are working right now with the Astra theme. And yeah, the Astra theme, of course, is really good. But we are searching for a new theme that is more specific in the kids niche and where we have uh, better customization options and where the base theme is more optimized for kids toy themes and kids clothing and something like this. And yeah, then I want to show you this theme. So I found this theme here and I really like this theme because all the colors are really great. The structure of the theme is really great. We have a ton of different features on the theme. Here you can see the theme, the colors are great, and we have some really cool functions. Let me click on a product here that I can show you how a product will look like. You can see this looks really nice. The whole layout, the whole design of the theme is really cool. We have different options here. We have, for example, these pop-up thingy here, this frequently or this recently bought pop-up that is really good. And also here, this box looks really nice. The related product section is really nice. We have different footer that we can use. So this is only one footer. Here you can see we have different homepage layouts. Let me click on homepage 2. This is, for example, the homepage 2 layout. You can see we have the different boxes here in the heroes section. We have the USB stuff here. We have some cool banners here and all kind of other sections and features. And yeah, this looks really good. And I think I want to go with this theme. And I want to show you, here's the overview. I will put the link to this theme in the video description down below so you can check it out yourself. This is frequently updated, and we have a ton of customization options. Let me click here on live preview. Then I can show you all the features that are inside. So this theme is, of course, for WordPress and WooCommerce, and you can build the website with Elementor, which is really nice. So Elementor is, of course, in my opinion, the best theme builder out there. So we have, like I said, like I show you the different pre-made homepage designs, and also here are some homepage designs in the works right now, coming soon. Then you can see this optimized for speed, so that the website speed is really fast. You have a one-click installer, so that means you have to it's really simple to install the templates for the theme. So that means that when somebody is on the phone, visit your website, your e-commerce store with the phone, this optimized for the different devices. So we have all kind of customizations. The shop builder has a ton of different features and different options. And you can see product add-ons. And this is also really nice. This is built into the theme. You don't have to buy this separately. This is built in. You have the product add-on feature. You can customize this, make different add-ons available. You have this product sale notification, this fake sale notification, the feature built in. You have cool variation switcher. Product filters, of course, then checkout field manager, so you can fully customize the checkout process, that you make it really nice. Shopify checkout is integrated, or the Shopify style checkout is integrated. Then the My Account page is optimized. multi-step checkout, dynamic custom badges, product wish list module, flash sale. This is also really cool. You can create flash sales, sticky add to cart, the product progress or the stock progress bar, and so on and so forth. Yeah, like I said, I will put the link to the product or to the theme in the video description down below. So you can go to the video description down below and there you will find the link. Then, yeah, let me show you how to install this. So I already bought the theme. And then when you bought the theme, you go to your download page. And there you will find this. So here you can see Kids Toy Store. Then I will click here on download and then I will click on all files and documentation. So then we are downloading all the files and let's save this. Then I've downloaded the whole zip file and we also need our license certificate, the purchase code. I will download this as a PDF. Then, yeah, we have everything. And this is the store. So this is a German website or a German store, but I put this real quick on English language that you can see this. So then let me go to where is design? Where is the design or appearance? Then themes. And here you can see I currently have installed Astra and an Astra child theme, but we want to change this now. So I go here to add theme and then I will click on upload theme. And now I have to extract the downloaded zip file of the theme. So let me do this real quick. Then we will find the zip file. I will grab the whole zip file, put it here. You can see now toyup.zip. Then I will click on install now. And also we will get a child theme, which is really nice. So now it is uploaded and installed. You can see we will get all the success messages. Then I will click on activate. And now you can see we have our new theme installed and activated. And here you can see now this box with all the necessary plugins that we need to install. Then I will click here on begin install plugins. Here you can see all the plugins that we need to install. I will do this one by one. So breadcrumb install. Okay, now I entered the purchase code and I think now I can move on with the installation of the necessary plugins. So, okay, now I installed and activated all the plugins that we need to use the new theme. Let me click here. And yeah, so now what's this here? Variation swatches. Okay, don't need this. Okay, now we need to install the demo files. So for this, I think it is under settings. No, experience. There it is. Import demo data. Click here. And here it is. So I want to go with home 1. So I simply hover here and then I click on import demo. And continue. And yeah, this can take a little bit. Okay, now the import is complete. Then we can go to, or let's see, visit our site. Let's see how this looks. There it is. So yeah, looks perfect. Everything is here. Great. We can work with this. So then let me show you real quick the customizer. So where's the customizer? There it is. So let me click here and let's see what we can do here. So yeah, we have all the different options. So we can choose a different header. So top header, I think here we have 3 different options. We can customize the color, of course. Then, what this main header? Oh, here are the main headers. We have 4 different options. Colors and so on. This is good. Let me go back. yeah, we can customize the footer. So right now we have this footer. Then let's do this. And this is the from the Astra theme. First I have to delete this, but this is okay, but you get the idea. So then we'll click here on publish. Then colors, yeah, and all the different widgets and all the customization options. Yeah, and then let's click here on back. And also, of course, you will get all the pre-made pages. And click here on pages. There you can see that we have all the different pages you can customize, you can work with. And yeah, this is really cool. And I think I like the theme. And yeah, if you are on the hunt for a theme where you can sell different different products for kids, for children, like toys, clothing, and so on, then I think this theme is perfect because it's relatively cheap. Of course, this is a premium WordPress WooCommerce theme, but it's relatively cheap, and you have all the customization options and all the pre-made homepages and so on. And yeah, that's it for the video. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And also I will put all the links to the theme and so on in the video description. You can go to the video description, check it out, and it will direct you to this page or to this page here. And you can read everything in detail. You can check it out. And yeah, that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, if you learned something new, if you liked the video, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button on the video. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, every thumbs up, every subscription helps a lot. And yeah, then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.